Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be continuing to use our percent proportion and solve problems that are real life percentages. Like I have half a tank of gas. How much gas is that? Or I spend $20 on something. What percentage is that of my budget? Things like that. So today we're going to be using what we know about percent proportions. So using part whole is of, same thing. So part over whole is equal to a percent over 100. And we're going to be solving these percent type problems. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. So we have a part, which is over the whole, which is the total, or the of, and that is equal to a percentage over 100. Over 100. So we're going to go ahead and solve and look at how to solve these types of problems using what we've learned so far. So, for example, this first problem says that you win an online auction for concert tickets. Okay, so we have concert tickets. So example A is some concert tickets. And it says that your winning bid is 60% of your maximum bid, which was $120. So your winning bid is 60% of $120. All right, so our job, our first step is to look at this problem and box up what we can. Okay, so your winning bid is 60% of 120. So we're asking ourselves this question, what is, you can just change these words right here. So what is 60% of 120? So $120, this right here is your whole. This is your total. So let's go ahead and box up this problem so that way we can solve it for a solution. So let me make sure I got the right colors here. Okay, so we've got a percent. And we have 120. And we have what is. So is was orange. That's our X value today. And we're looking at 120. Of 120 because they're stuck together. Of and 120. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in the right places. So we're going to have 120 on the bottom. X on the top. 60% out of 100. Okay, remember, you can either solve this by multiplying or dividing, or you can cross multiply. So I'm going to use cross multiplication. I'm going to multiply the two things that are across from each other. So 120 times 60, and then divide by 100 to get X. So 120 times 60 divided by 100. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull up our handy dandy calculator. We're going to do 120 times 60, and that gives us 7,200 divided by 100. And we can again cross these off, so we get 72. So X equals $72. That was the winning bid. Our winning bid was $72. for the concert tickets. Good work on that one. We only had to pay $72 on it. Okay, let's look at another example. Don't like that one. Don't like it. Because it uses length by width, and I don't want to do that. Okay, so let's do this example. Example number 2. So on example number 2, we are going to go shopping, and you spend $135 grocery shopping. $135 grocery shopping. Okay, so you're going to spend $135 on groceries. And let's see here. It says that this is 75% of the total price. So this is 75% retail price. And then it's asking, how much would you have spent if you didn't use coupons? Okay, so let's find out how much we saved using our coupons. So this question is asking us, what is 75% of 135? So we're going to take this problem, we just rewrote all that information into a question of what is 75% of 135. So we're going to figure this out by solving for the percent proportion again. So we're going to box this up, 75% of $135, and we're looking at the what is. Again, we're solving for what is. All right, so we're going to put x over 135. This is equal to 75% out of 100. So we're going to cross multiply the things across from each other. So 135 times 75, and then we're going to divide by 100. Now we're ready to solve this problem. So here's my calculator. I'm going to do 135 times 75. And this gives us a really big number of $101. Oops, nope, $10,125 over 100. So now we're ready to divide. Divide by 100. This is going to move your decimal point twice. I messed up. 10125. Apparently I have too many numbers in my head today. Divided by 100. And that equals 101.25. Okay, so the part that you spent is 101.25. Well, the question was asking us how much money did we save? So if we're going to figure out how much money we saved on this grocery trip, we're going to take $135 and subtract what we actually spent was $101.25. Okay, this is going to give us our grand total of how much money we actually saved on this grocery trip from the coupons. So because we had a bunch of coupons. So 135 minus 101.25. So the total is $33.75. That's good shopping right there. So we spent a total of $135, which is 75%. So had we spent more, or had we not used the coupons, we were going to have to add on this total to our grand total. All right, let's look at doing some try-its now. So let's go ahead and turn the page. Hit pause right now so you don't hear me solving. Or I'm sorry, hit pause right now so you can finish writing this down. And then go to the next page for the try-its. And then we will be ready to solve those. All right, let's go ahead and do our try-its. We're going to do our try-its. Now remember that in these problems, you have to set them up so that there's so many words. So you need to figure out what it is asking you, and that's why you want to write it as a question. Okay, so this problem that we're going to look at, try it number 1, which will be your one and only try it, I think. We'll look at the time and see how we're doing. It says that you raise $420 during a fundraising event. The amount of money that you raise is 120% of your goal. And we want to know how much more money did you raise from your goal. Well, we don't know what our goal is. So let's write down the information that we do know. We know that you raise $420 during the event. This is 120% of your goal. And we want to know how much more money do you raise over the goal amount. So how much extra did you raise? Because 120% is bigger than 420. So I want you to hit pause right now, and I want you to try to come up with a question and then solve this problem. Okay, so hit pause so you don't hear me solving, and then when you're ready, come on back to the Google Meet. So you raised $420, which is 120% of your goal. So we want to know of our goal. What is our goal? We don't know. So let's say we're going to say $420 is 120% of our goal. Okay, this allows us to know that our goal is X value. We don't know what the goal is, so of our goal is the X. That's what we're solving. We have $420 is, and it's stuck to is, so it goes with is, and 120%. So we have 120% on top over 100 is equal to 420, which is over X. Okay, so now we're ready to solve this problem and figure out how much more money than our goal did we raise. Okay, so we're going to find the difference there. So we're going to do 420 times 100 divided by 120. 420 times 100 divided by 120. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. All right, so we have $420 times 100 equals 42,000 over $120. So we're going to divide this by $120. This gives us $350. So our total, this was our goal. Our goal, X, was $350. But look, we raised $420, which is more. That's because it's 120%. So we're going to do 420 minus 350. And that's going to tell us how much more money we earned on our goal. 350 is $70. So we earned $70 over our goal. $70 more than our goal because we're awesome. That's right, we're awesome. Okay, I want you to go ahead now, answer your essential question. How do we solve problems in the real world? Your answer here for your essential question should have something to do with creating a question. Like what is, or 420 is 120% of our goal. Like making a phrase with those words. And then put your level of understanding out to the side. Where are you at? And now it is time for you to either come on back to the Google Meet and ask for help or go and do your practice work. As always, I appreciate all of your hard work and effort and make it a great day.